कुतेरेगा उड़ेनी खुड़ेनी ला 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 wasmiruha matang hodagin kana hodani.
Jazakillah khairan Aisha. Zoya mewa kanta.
Kamwana. Ay wara hashiganda faida huriyatcha. Vitamins and minerals liba.
Ehvegene mewa kanjeri. Zoya de miyadum Vashiga azum kandanam ve komme duhakos komme ves watterege mewai khan.
Nursery aiga item fruits are good.
I'm a fruit that's firm, crisp and juicy. Eat me fresh, it might be, don't be too choosy. My shape is round, my colors are no green. In tiny pockets in me, a few seeds are seen. I'm rich in fiber, nutrients they say. Eat me every day to keep the doctor away. My name's the first word taught with the alphabet. Newton learned why things fall when I fell on his head. I grow in places neither too hot nor cold. Dishes are made from me, hot and cold. Mom calls a baby the apple of her eye. Without me there can't be an apple pie. Dear apple of your pie, we are great fans. I'm one of the prettiest fruits in the country, France. I have my roots in cool places. I like to grow on runners and bushes low. I'm small, conical, and a bright red, with a green leafy crown on my head. My skin's full of tiny edible seeds. My pulp is juicy, tangy, and sweet. I'm full of vitamin C, have it fresh and ripe in plenty. My flavor is loved in jams and jelly. Who am I if I am not a cherry? Called a strawberry, but you're not a berry. From my color I get my name, but if I'm green I'm not to blame. I'm covered by a rind and shaped as a ball. My tangy squash is loved by one and all. Feel at any but say my skin is a very good cosmetic and medicine, full of fiber and nutrients great. I taste yummy in cakes and marmalades. I'm filled with a pipe that's sour and sweet, packed in little bags with little white seeds. I'm very, very rich in vitamin C. Can you guess my name? Now let me see. We know you're the citrus fruit, orange juicy. We are small and round in clusters we grow. We hang down from vines high and low. Our skin is purple, red or greenish yellow. We are with or without seeds, you know. We have a thin skin that can be eaten. We can be dried into raisins. Our juices, jams and jellies will make you grin. Eat us fresh and not from a tin. We've lots of sugar to energize you. We're mostly sweet, but a little sour too. Our seeds give you up and are eaten too. Tell us who we are, will you? You are grapes and we love you. I'm a fruit that's good and long and thin, with thick and yellow or green skin, with a pulp in me that's red as sin, and tiny bed seeds hardly seen. With my family in a box I grow, among our fruits my cost is low. Sometimes my skin is red or brown. I grow easily all the year round. When raw cook me into treats yummy, when ripe eat me for a good tummy. Fiber and minerals are packed in me. Now can you identify me? You're a banana, we